Thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharakanithi ni gwatanirite na rwangi rwa mathomo ma ARIGITANI cukuruni ya RUBATE ni kenda gutigira arutwo maria mariku ni makuthomithua na utaramu wa ngathi cia iguru ni kenda kumaombithia kubeshana utungata wa kiwango kia iguru cibitari ni cia kaunti ino. Akiaria inde ya kumanenkera macini cia kumbithia maurutani ma mwanya gavana MUTHOMI NJUKI na ugite thirikari ya wega tethereria cukuru ino kubingia mauntu maria monthe makwendeka kenda itikabingwe. Samuel Ugima gatumenyithie inunkuruki.
KIRI muchemanio gatigatika thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharakanithi etongeretwe i gavana MUTHOMI NJUKI na utongoria bwa college ya RUBATE. Atongoria baba ibaithurite ati bakaigwa bari na ngwataniro ya uruti wira ara thirikari igatethia college ino kwirugamia kenda nio college inora aruti wira bakinyaniru bara bagatumika kiri CIBITARI cha kaunti ino na ntere chinge cha nthiguru.
It is our interest to make sure that right from here the qualities are achieved so that we don't suffer the consequences of lack of quality when we come to our facilities, because you'll be handling real human beings, not models anymore that you're handling here. So it is our interest to make sure that when you come to our institution also, you have the highest standards possible. Therefore our patients don't suffer, even as you also enjoy the experience. That is why we must make sure that we assist you as if we are assisting our own.
NJUKI ariuga thirikari yake igachainanira mbitiganirio na college ino kenda barikithia ngwataniro ino ya uruti wira.
For that MOU, we have already agreed with the principal. By Monday next week, it will be ready and it will be signed right here in this college by our CEC for health and your CEO and the principal health medical services.
Adede itagaria da mbere kurutaniria wira thirikari ya NJUKI ni pete college ino intobia gutumika kurutana arigiti barabatethagiria ekuru kwegwana.
The biggest in number, because we want to make sure that even when they are sharing, none of them should be more than 10 in one when they are using one of the models. When we give you 8 models today, it means in a class of 45 you can only have a ratio of 5 to 1 model. That means it makes it very easy for you and just concentrating on one model when you are 50 or 25 of you. It makes it easier for you to teach them. Therefore we'll have very many midwives from here.
Nkuruki ariuga agapa basari ARITWA college ino baraba inyirikite ibichi.
Na students ambaye nimeambiwa malemewa sana na fees, the ones who are very desperate, nimeambia mchungaji, nimempatia chief of staff waangalie wale tunaweza saidia kidogo. Sio yote. We do not have scholarships, but we have bursary.
Tunafurahia sana kwa sababu kaunti ya Tharakanithi imetembea pamoja na hii chuo na tunaendelea vizuri. Watoto wetu ni wengi, tuko na wote wale ambao wanasomea nursing ni wanafunzi 98, na kwa hivyo ni chuo ambacho kikipata uongozi mzuri kitatoa wanafunzi ambao watatumika katika kaunti hii na kaunti zingine, hata nchi zote za nje zitatumia au ambao watatrainiwa huku pia.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Ugima.